That was incredible. Whole.
I love you. I'm in love with you.
You're wasted.
No, I know I'm wasted, and that's why I'm saying this now. I really feel like this. I love you. I've been meaning to tell you.
Are we doing this right now?
I'm trying to tell you how I feel about you.
No, stop talking. Now. Starting now.
Oh shit.
Second of all, thank you for saying that.
Okay.
No, that's very sweet. But it's not gonna happen. No, it's not gonna happen. Do you understand what I'm saying? Like, I know that that's really hard to hear right now, but we don't have time for this.
No.
Are you ready for the plan?
You just shattered his heart.
Yeah.
Like.
Knock knock. Hey, Kelly. Hey, buddy. Please just let me out. Okay? I don't think so, bitch. Word on the street is that you got a bounty on your head, bro. It's not. No.
Is this part of the plan?
Sam.
They're gonna break her out. Where else would she be? Oh, wow.
You locked me in here.
In here, bro. It's Topper.
Great.
Oh boy.
Yeah, that's worse.
Hey, Top. It's John B. Hey, man. So, are you gonna try to talk your way out of this again? Just cut the bullshit, all right? Like the chickens are roost.
No.
No, you sure?
No. Yes, I did.
Yes
know.
or no, John B?
Okay, look, man. Yes.
Yeah.
We did it. We did it once, okay? But maybe
Don't use the F word. That's kind of gross, grotesque.
Yeah, that's my bad, man.
I
I'm so
stand.
sorry.
I
What
stand.
word?
And I know that hurts.
This was like needed. This is like
But
they needed to get this out.
I'm in love, man.
It turns out that he's a killer. I mean, living in our house gives me the total creeps. Wizzy, I need to talk to you.
When you see on TV and they're like, oh, the neighbors are like always.
I need you to listen to me. John B is not a killer. He did not shoot anyone. I was there.
Seriously, should not be there right now.
Hey. I think they've got him trapped in this house.
It's John B. It's John B. Rutledge.
Remember the fallen, Sheriff? Yeah, that's right. Kill the son of a bitch.
Oh,
Right. I got it from your side. No mercy, all right? Now let's get the kid out of here. Yeah.
what the hell?
Shoot, you got him?
Oh my god. Yes.
Slipped out the bed in the laundry room.
Yes. Oh, holy crap.
He was just in there.
Holy crap, yes.
gotta protect the homeland.
Oh, you have got to be kidding me.
Where you at, John B? Kel's check the other side. Got it.
Hey, can I catch him? Not yet. Said he's headed to Shum Creek. Come on.
No, Topper, don't you dare follow her again. Remember what happened the last time you followed her to the bell tower? This guy!
What are you doing here, Tom? Hey, just take it easy, man. Don't fucking... Just let me... I just need to talk to Sarah. Please. He's up here! He's up here! Shut up!
No, jeez.
Shut up, Topper!
Topper, knock it off.
If it wasn't true,
I was there. Hopper.
What?
Sheriff Peterkin was trying to arrest my father, and then Rafe shot her. That's my brother.
You realize I'm the one that loves you.
I don't care right now, Topper. Do you understand what's going on?
Let's smoke him out then.
Oh.
Bro, what are you doing?
Dude. Are you serious? Oh, I can't. Holy far out.
Essentially, we got the suspect in older.
Knees, Rutledge! Get down on your knees! Keep your hands where we can see them! Get down! Stay back! Rutledge, get down! Don't shoot, all right? Get down! Keep your hands where we can see them! Show your hands! Down!
That's Topper. Holy.
What the hell happened to him there, all right?
Bullshit and I ain't buying it. You're gonna need to tell me what's going on right
It's
now.
just like you treat people who are just trying to help.
All right, smartass. Thomas Plum, go talk to him. Get him in the car.
Let's get everybody back. And there might be
He
people in there.
helped them. Holy far out.
Out there, got you?
Shit. And now it's the finale. I'm obsessed with this show, but seeing how these final episodes are playing out, I understand the hype that kind of got me to watching the show, but also got me to reacting to the show. Like, I understand the hype now, and I am so here for it. Like, holy crap, that was just consistently the next amazing episode. Like, I can't even deny how incredible that episode was. Oh my god. I don't even have words. Like, I just don't have words. Like, that episode, like, I don't even know how it's gonna end now. Like, John B was literally a fugitive for that entire episode. Somehow, you know, JJ, Pope, and Key are, like, going through the shit as well. But then all of a sudden, like, I don't even know where they are. Like, where are they? Are they going to reunite with John? Or is it just safer for them to kind of be away? But also at the same time, it's their friend. And I guess they were part of the whole trying to help Sarah out. And there's no way they can keep in touch with John. So, but in saying that though, their plan is to get JJ's dad's boat or Rafe's boat so that he can get out of the island. So in saying that, they had to split up. But holy, that episode, I'm literally on the edge of my seat, jumping around, going, I can't understand. Things keep happening and processing everything. It's just so, I am so excited for this finale. I can't believe it. I'm so ready. I got no words. Like, Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction. If you did, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Make sure to click subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time for the finale.